Ganesh, I think he's a very involved director and बहुत passionate है, over passionate actually. पूरा ज़्यादा ही he gets into it and which is great. I think when उनके साथ हमने अभी एक series बनाई है 10 episodes की 10 गानों की which will be releasing soon. It's called White Room. So we realized कि उसका एक vision है और वो उसको execute करता है. So it was amazing working with Ganesh. I'm sure Karishma can elaborate my thoughts.
That mic off.
Jess.
Well, yes, I absolutely second what Mandeep said. Ganesh ji I've worked with so many directors, all of them have their strengths, and it has been an amazing experience and I've learned so much from everyone. But Ganesh ji ke saath, he is overcommitted, overcommitted could be the wrong word, what did you just mention?
Passionate.
Involved, passionate. Every time he would be there for the rehearsals, उनको कुछ दिखता था. Even if Akshay and I were normally talking or laughing, he would just see something and उनका हाँ ऐसा हो जाता था और कहते I'm going to use this, I'm going to use this. तो ऐसा समझ नहीं आता था कि वो हमको मतलब स्टॉक कर रहे हैं literally. So he gets too involved and which is a wonderful thing. और वो हमको जब सुना रहे थे ना तो हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि what exactly is he trying to say. But now that I've seen the video, I exactly understand. He had a vision and he's gone exactly according to his vision. So मतलब when we are rehearsing, a director actually doesn't need to be there, you know. He would be talking to the choreographer, he would be talking to us about our comfort levels, what is there something that we don't want to do, and being there in every moment. I think hats off to him. And ये जो हमारा गाना है actually मुझे नहीं लगता ये एक दिन में shoot होने वाला content है, but उन्होंने फिर भी कर दिखाया. So much of work pressure, but still he was at it and we can see the output. It's wonderful. It's been a great experience working with Ganesh ji, honestly.
Anything interesting that you can think of while the shoot happened?
It's raining a lot, no?
Oh yes, no, so many interesting things. रिहर्सल्स में भी इंटरेस्टिंग, मतलब हमारा तो ये पूरी जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग एंड मज़ेदार रही है. शूट के वक्त मेरा जो पर्सनल मैं बताऊंगी, सो इसमें मैंने सिगरेट पी है. आई एक्चुअली डोंट स्मोक. और उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि आप मेरी कबीर सिंह हैं. मैंने कहा मतलब कि तो उसने 2 सिगरेट एक साथ पी थी. सो आई सेड मैं एक भी नहीं पीती. ही सेड नहीं आपको 2 पीनी है. वो इतना रजिस्टर नहीं हुआ है. एक्चुअली मैंने इस हाथ में 2 सिगरेट्स पकड़ी हैं. वो उनको लेडी कबीर सिंह चाहिए थी. वो pathos and the aggression and the wrath of the loss he wanted. So he said कि बस हमें दिखाना है that